Okay, go ahead, Jackson. Count the blocks.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22.
Good job. 22 blocks. How many triangles?
2.
That's it? Oh, cool. Good job. Look at all those toys. Oh, my Lanta. It's like Paw Patrol just dumped everything out on the floor.
Yeah.
I think you have enough Paw Patrols now, huh?
Now what?
There's his favorite guy, Chase, and Marshall. Ma, look. What am I looking at? Bless you. Cover.
That was a fire to take that.
So, you got more triangles?
I got to put the yellow one on.
You did a good job, baby, counting all the way to 22. Good job.
Yeah, and